Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see with my multitude of videos, I create all sorts of different things, and I'd love to share them on here in the hopes that it will help somebody else or inspire somebody else to try doing something different. So I absolutely love to capsulize all of my own herbal supplements, and so today that is what I'm going to show you. I purchased this off of Amazon. I'm sure that you can find it on there. I don't have the box to show you the brand or anything anymore, but this is it. And I use the 00 size gelatin capsules that I also get on Amazon. I will go ahead and link to that in the description box below. So the first part of this process is taking apart the capsules and separating them from one another. It is time consuming. I wish they came already separated, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do. So I just use a couple glasses from my kitchen cupboards and separate them all. There is a picture of the actual capsules that I use, and so then I just pour the larger end in to the top part of here, and sometimes unfortunately they will go in the hole upside down, which is a pain in the butt, as you'll see in just a moment. But I found that more often than not they end up going in upside down, so to keep that from happening too much, I just go ahead and place them in the holes one by one, and it just saves a little time in having to fix it all later. But obviously you saw some that did go in upside down, and to see that, you just push down on this spring-loaded part and you can see 3 of them there are upside down. So tricky here, keeping the spring-loaded part down with one hand while you pick out the other, or pick out the ones that are upside down. So got them out. Go ahead and put them back in the right way. And then I like to press it down one more time to make sure that I didn't miss any holes. And obviously you can see there's one hole missed. So I'm going to grab another one and place it in there. All right, good to go. We're ready to fill these babies up. Place that white little part on there, and this is what I am capsulizing, is Red Clover. It was suggested by my doctor, who knows that I do not want to, I want to stay as far away from prescription medications as I can for as long as I can, and I'm really happy that she is willing to work with me on that. I like to capsulize all sorts of things. I have turmeric and ginger and the red clover that I'm doing right now. I also do beets. The other one suggested was black cohosh, so I'll be doing some of that after this batch. And unfortunately, I'm having to order some more capsules because this will put me out. Anyway, so then you use this little tamper, and the tamper is going to push down into the capsules and kind of compact the herb. And then I just add more and fill it in. It's kind of a messy little job, but it beats having to pay the prices when they're already capsulized, so I don't mind at all. I usually, depending on the, I usually do 2 or 3 times of tamping. And again, it kind of depends on the herb that you're actually capsulizing, as to how many times you can actually tamp it down in there. Yeah, anyway, there's not much room left on that one now. So I don't recall if I said, but I buy a lot of my herbal supplements at grocery outlet, actually. So here's the top the smaller pieces, and so I jiggle them around in there trying to get them to go in as much as I can until I have place them in one by one. And of course, same as the large ones, some of them go in upside down, and you'll have to fix that before you can get to the next step. And you'll see there was a lot of them in this one that were upside down, and these are so much harder to get out because they're smaller, so it's harder to actually grab. Anyway, now we're getting close to being able to put the top caps on. So you place this orange piece over it. And it'll be flipped upside down in a minute as soon as we clean up the top of this and not waste any of the product. I just scooch it off and put it back into the bag. All right, then you just take this top part and you flip it over. And then you're going to push down on the spring-loaded part and it'll snap them into place. Well, it'll connect the two, I should say. It'll connect the two, and then you dump them out. And once you get them out and they don't go rolling all over the place, you will have to, you'll see me, did you see me pinch that? So you'll have to pinch them all together. But really quick, I'm showing you how this is how I like to store mine. I just use these Ziploc baggies that have an area for you to write on them, so I can write what it is that's in those and the date that I capsulized them. And I do like to put whether it's organic or not. I try to go organic as much as possible. I really like these. These are great bags. They seal great. And I like that you have the ability to write on them. I've used just the regular sandwich bags, Ziploc sandwich bags, but it doesn't hold the color. It's not as visible, I should say. So I really like this type Ziploc. So anyway, then I just open it up and get busy on one by one pinching them until you'll hear them snap into place, and just makes them a little bit smaller of a pill to swallow, as well as just really seals them good. Anyway, I just think it's a great way to know exactly what's being put into your gel capsules, and I like being able to do all sorts of different ones. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that like button and share it with your friends. And I hope you come back for the next video. Have a great day.